with us Joelia Fernandez, who's a very much regular for all the football tournaments that happen all across Dubai. What do you feel about this tournament? How has this tournament evolved all this while that has been happening?
Thank you, Willie. We had the first edition of this tournament last year. It was like an entire community together. We had through its name, UAE Goans. Like we had the Goan community here supporting football, which is like the love of all Goans. And it's like a family where players, like we have the Goan players here who play with the love of sport. We have a large number of audience who support. We have the team managers who take all the trouble and execute a tournament like this. And yeah, it's like just being together.
Joelia, what makes you come to watch a football game every evening during the Ramadan, especially here in Dubai?
Oh, well, I am lucky that I have this Ramadan less working hours, and after work, if I am getting an opportunity to be among people who are my own, why not? Like, instead of just being at home and lazing about, I would prefer like being here, cheering my friends, because I am blessed to have friends who are, most of them are footballers. And yeah, it's love for the sport, it's love for my people, and yeah, it's a place where though I'm away from home, I feel at home.
Which is the team do you support this Ramadan Cup?
Oh, I am so much in a doubt when anyone asks me this question. I used to support one particular team, but now like I have friends playing in almost all the teams, and it becomes unjust for me to be biased. So like one reason why I don't wear supporters jersey throughout the league is I don't know which jersey to wear. Like I just want to support all of them, but yeah.
What is your message to all the global Goan football fans, and especially the fans in Dubai, regarding this Dubai tournament?
I would love to see more and more people here. I would love to see the Goans here coming, cheering their teams, having that spirit of enthusiasm, having that one unit spirit. And yeah, I would want to tell the players across the globe, don't stop playing. I have a few friends, they'll be like, at football so done. I'm like, no. Yeah, so the only message I want to give it, let's keep this love for the sport. And even though it's a male-dominated love, I am still very much in for it.
Yeah, thank you, Joelia, very much, and we hope to see you for the rest of the tournament, cheering up all the teams. Yeah, and may the best team win.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this interview with me. Thanks a lot.